Selling your house privately in New York can be an exciting but complex endeavor. As a homeowner, you might be wondering if you need a lawyer to navigate this process. This comprehensive guide will help you understand the legal requirements, potential risks, and benefits of hiring a real estate attorney when selling your home privately in the Empire State. Understanding the complexities of selling a house privately in New York. Selling a house without a real estate agent, also known as a FSBO home, can present unique challenges. Selling a FSBO home can seem like an attractive option to save on real estate commissions. However, New York's real estate laws and regulations make the process of selling a home more intricate than in many other states. Let's dive into what you need to know about hiring a real estate attorney. New York state laws and regulations for private home sales, mandatory attorney involvement in New York real estate transactions. One of the most crucial aspects of selling a house in New York is understanding the legal requirements. Unlike many other states, New York law mandates the involvement of a real estate lawyer in real estate transactions as per New York Judiciary Law section 484. This requirement applies whether you're selling your home through an agent or privately, including FSBO homes. Required disclosures and paperwork. When selling your home in New York, you're legally obligated to make certain disclosures about the property's condition, according to the National Association of Realtors. These include lead-based paint disclosures for homes built before 1978 as per federal law. Any known material defects should be disclosed when selling a home. It's important to note that as of 2019, the property condition disclosure statement is no longer mandatory if the seller provides a $500 credit to the buyer at closing, as per New York Real Property Law section 465. The role of a real estate attorney in private home sales. A real estate attorney can be invaluable in guiding you through the complexities of selling your home privately. Here's how they can assist. Drafting and reviewing contracts. An experienced attorney will draft a legally binding purchase agreement, review and negotiate contract terms, and ensure all necessary clauses and contingencies are included. Handling title issues and searches. Your lawyer will conduct a title search to ensure there are no liens or encumbrances on your property. They will resolve any title issues that may arise and facilitate the transfer of the title at closing. Negotiating terms and contingencies. An attorney can help you navigate complex negotiations with potential buyers, understand and respond to contingencies in offers, and protect your interests throughout the negotiation process. Facilitating the closing process. At closing, your attorney will review all closing documents, including the deed, transfer, tax returns, and closing statement. They will ensure funds are properly transferred when working with a realtor or during a FSBO home sale. Lastly, they will address any last-minute issues that may arise to ensure a smooth closing process for home sellers. Potential risks of selling without a lawyer. While it's possible to sell your house without a realtor, doing so comes with significant risks. Contractual errors and omissions. Without legal expertise, you might overlook crucial contract clauses, agree to unfavorable terms, or miss important deadlines when selling a home without a realtor. Disclosure violations. Failing to properly disclose property issues can lead to legal liability under New York Real Property Law, potential lawsuits from buyers, and even fines and penalties. Title problems and liens. Unresolved title issues can require a real estate attorney to navigate properly, potentially derailing your sale at the last minute and leading to future legal problems for you or the buyer. Cost considerations. Lawyer fees versus potential savings. Typical attorney fees for New York real estate transactions. While attorney fees are an additional expense, they typically range from $1,000 to $3,000 for a standard home sale. This cost can vary based on the complexity of the transaction and the attorney's experience. Potential savings from avoiding legal issues. The cost of legal representation is often far less than the potential financial and emotional toll of legal disputes that can arise from an improperly handled sale. particularly affecting the sale price. Consider it an investment in peace of mind and protection against future liabilities, particularly for home buyers and sellers. Alternatives to full attorney representation. If you're comfortable handling most aspects of the sale yourself, you might consider consultation services. Some attorneys offer limited consultation services for a flat fee, providing guidance at key points in the process. Document review services. You can hire an attorney to review contracts and other important documents without full representation. Steps to sell your house privately in New York. If you decide to proceed with a private sale, here's a general outline of the process. First, price your home competitively based on market research and possibly a professional appraisal from a realtor. Then, prepare your home for sale, addressing any obvious repairs or cosmetic issues to attract potential home buyers. Next, market your property through online listings, social media, and traditional advertising. Conduct showings and open houses to give buyers a chance to see the property in person. When it comes to offers, negotiate with potential buyers. It's important to work with an attorney to finalize the contract and handle legal aspects of selling a home. Finally, complete the closing process, which includes the transfer of deed and payment of transfer taxes. This step is often facilitated by a title company. When to definitely hire a lawyer. While it's generally advisable to have legal representation for any home sale in New York, it's absolutely essential in these situations. Complex property issues like boundary disputes or easements that a real estate lawyer can help mitigate. Non-standard sales such as short sales or foreclosures, disputes with buyers or other parties, and when selling a high-value property without a realtor. FAQ. Is it legal to sell my house without a real estate agent in New York? Yes, it's legal to sell your house without an agent, but you'll still need an attorney for the transaction. What disclosures am I required to make when selling my house privately? Can I use online legal services instead of hiring a local real estate attorney? How long does the home selling process typically take in New York? What are the most common legal issues that arise in private home sales? And what are the potential tax implications of selling my home in New York? Making an informed decision about legal representation in your home sale. Selling your house privately in New York can be a rewarding experience, but it's crucial to understand the legal landscape. While it's possible to navigate some aspects of the sale on your own, the complexity of New York real estate law and the potential risks involved make working with an attorney a wise choice for most sellers. By hiring knowledgeable real estate lawyers in Brooklyn, you can ensure that your interests are protected, all legal requirements are met, and your home sale proceeds smoothly. The peace of mind and potential savings from avoiding legal pitfalls often outweigh the cost of legal representation. Call to action. Selling your home privately in New York can be complex, but you don't have to navigate it alone. For expert legal guidance throughout the process, contact Neil H. Kupferman, ESQL, PC at +171 876833046, or a trusted title company. Our experienced real estate attorneys can help protect your interests and ensure a smooth, legally compliant home sale without a realtor, especially for home sellers. Don't take unnecessary risks with one of your most valuable assets. Reach out today for a consultation.